A future Apple Pencil might be able to input color and texture from the real world onto an iPad, according to Apple's latest patent application. The United States Patent and Trademark Office USPTO has received a patent application that suggests the next version of the Apple Pencil, the third-generation model, will be able to copy colors and textures from the real world and transfer them onto an iPad. The Apple Pencil, which is targeted towards creative professionals and power users, was first introduced in 2015 with the first iPad Pro. The second-generation Apple Pencil was released in 2018 with the third-generation iPad Pro. The stylus is known for its capabilities in drawing programs like Adobe Photoshop and for annotating documents in Microsoft Office apps. According to Patently Apple, Apple has filed a patent application for a stylus with sensors in its tip that can detect the color and texture of real-world objects by sampling their surfaces. The USPTO recently published the patent application, which includes details on the stylus's ambient light sensor, light emitter, and light detector that would help it accurately capture the color and texture of external objects. If these features are included in the final version of the Apple Pencil, it could potentially become the most advanced stylus on the market, surpassing those offered by competitors like Wacom, Microsoft, Samsung, and others. Apple has filed several patents for features related to the Apple Pencil, but many of these have not yet been released. One such feature is the ability to interchange nibs, which would allow users to choose different tips based on factors such as color, shape, thickness, size, brightness, or opacity of the writing surface. In the past, Apple also filed a patent application for a biometric security feature for the Apple Pencil. It is unclear if or when these features will be implemented in future versions of the stylus. Apple has filed multiple patents related to the Apple Pencil, including one for an input feature that would allow users to activate copy, paste, undo, or redo functions by tapping the stylus on the screen a certain number of times. The company has also patented technologies that could potentially add a speaker, a rotary input device, a microphone, an on-off button, a mute button, a biometric sensor, a camera, and a touch-sensitive trackpad to the Apple Pencil. The potential for the Apple Pencil to sample colors and textures from external objects could make it even more appealing to artists and graphic designers. While it is uncertain when these features will be available for commercial use, they have the potential to significantly alter the concept of a stylus and may prompt other companies to develop similar products.